It's officially happening. My visa got accepted yesterday and I'm officially moving like halfway across the world to Asia, to Hong Kong. I have been waiting for this for, I don't know, like 6 months or something like. Hi, my name's Natasha. I make videos about fashion and my life, and I am moving to Hong Kong. It feels so weird to say it out loud. I don't think I realize how far away I'm moving. Anyways, now that I've said it, now that it's out of my system, I actually need to, do the whole moving process. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me during that whole process, like packing boxes, flight, and just, I don't know, everything. I already bought some moving boxes, which was a struggle to bring back because I bought them. They were huge, very difficult to carry. It was also like minus 10 degrees outside whilst I was walking with them. That was a struggle. But then when I actually had to build the box, if you understand what I mean, I actually don't know how long it took me. I think it took me like over 10 minutes to figure out how to put it together. And there were pictures on the box saying like, oh, step 1, step 2, and step 3. But my brain was not braining.
Your elbows off the table.
My guy pretty like a girl. He got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like you know. See on both sides like you know. Swimming like through water.
One box done. Okay, I actually just went ahead and redid it because I actually did it wrong the first time. But now we've managed to put together our first box. And now we just have to fill it.
All level, I am the I am. I'm filming with the drone cam and the pink like killer kill. Don't wanna stick, no way. Also close, I'm on that kill. Controller on your lower back, yeah, that's good. Nick roll eyes back in the skull. Rolling, ride.
First box is more or less done. I've wrapped some stuff up in bubble wrap. My dinner is cooking right now, which is why there's so much noise. That's the first box done. That box was, I just mostly filled it with stuff I really didn't need to use then, which was just like books that I'd already read. I had some like craft stuff, coloring pens, just like, I don't know, small stuff like that. I also wanted to do like a little apartment tour, what it looks like now when I still have all my furniture and all that stuff. And then I'll probably do one when it's empty and like leaving it. And it's kind of sad because this was my first apartment. Like, this was the first time I ever moved out, lived alone, moved out when I was 18, came here in my little apartment, like I've had in my little time here, and I'm gonna miss it. But on to new adventures. Anyway, so I thought I would start by just doing a little house tour, even though it's gonna take 15 seconds because it's very small. But let me just show you outside right now because it's so pretty. Look. Snow everywhere. Yeah, I didn't have the best view. That was kind of sad, but you can see the snow and you can see that's very windy right now. Anyways, let's do this little apartment tour. Before I start, I just want to say it's a little messy right now because I have all the like boxes and stuff that need to be put away, and like I'm just preparing to empty out this whole place. I'm literally moving out in less than a week. Like, this apartment's gonna be empty in less than a week. So also my hair is giving very much Wednesday Addams. I didn't mean for that to happen, it just happened. This is where you walk into my apartment. Here's my little, I just bought this bag. It's coming with me to Hong Kong. I needed a big bag because my last one broke. Last time I came here, a wheel just fell off and said bye. So bought a new suitcase. But this is where you walk in. My lovely little blue door. As you can see, here is where like I could hang my coats and stuff, or I could have used it as like a cleaning storage place. This is my other closet where I can put clothes and stuff. I have my very messy kitchen. Don't look too much, but My lovely little kitchen, so cute. Love that this whole apartment was so like modern when I came in. Anyways, little kitchen. On the other side, this is the bathroom. Like when you walk in, shower and everything. And then this little space where my toiletries. I had this big cupboard here where I put all my stuff. Here is everything. Obviously, once again, a mess. But this is my main space where I have my little desk, my little couch, my bed. This is the first box that I've already filled up. My bed, yeah. And then I had 3 big windows, so I still got quite a lot of light in, which was very nice. In there I have some Christmas gifts, so Mom, if you're watching, don't look. That's about it. Anyways, the material that I have gathered is lots of bubble wrap, some more boxes, and then like tape and stuff too. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill more boxes, but right now I have a little Zoom meeting, so I'll get back to you right after that. Just finished the meeting. Let's sit on the floor for a bit and go through what we need to get done. So it is Wednesday the 14th of December, and on Monday the 19th I've hired like a team of people to come help me move all my stuff. Basically, I need to make sure that everything is in boxes before the 19th. That means I also need to pack my bags for Luxembourg/Hong Kong. I'm leaving for Hong Kong in beginning of January, but like for Christmas and New Year's and all that stuff, I'm gonna be home in Luxembourg. I need to pack my bags for that too. Whilst also thinking, like in the back of my head when I'm packing for Luxembourg, I'm like, okay, but this is also some of the stuff that's coming with me to Hong Kong. A lot of planning needs to be done, but what I can do today at least is I think I'm gonna get onto the big part of this, which is clothes. I think now I'm gonna go ahead and fill up a box with just clothes that are literally gonna be stored away for like a year. Let's get into it. Let's try and build this box a little bit faster than last time. Tell me why I've literally packed 2 things, a jacket and a cardigan, and it's literally already taking up half of the box. The way that this is so much harder than I thought it was gonna be. I have to pack my entire life in just a suitcase. Okay. I run the record with my queen, but I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hide inside of the Maybach and I was sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got the big bread. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I don't think I can fill this box up anymore. It's full to the brim, so I'm gonna have to do another box after this, because clearly that was not all my clothes, and also the stuff that I've like put aside to pack. I feel like it's not gonna be enough. Like when I get to my destination, I'm gonna be like, oh no, I forgot to bring this, that, and the other. Or not even forgot, but I feel like I'm not gonna feel like I have enough of a variety of clothes. But then at the same time, I'm telling myself like, oh, but I want to buy stuff when I'm there too, and blah blah blah. So yeah, it's a process, but we're getting somewhere, so that's good.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send a Uber to your place.
I'm filling up another box with clothes and boots and stuff like that, but it is getting so tiring. Like everything is just a big mess. My hair is still a bit wet from this morning when I washed it. It literally never wants to dry. I don't know if I should already start with like kitchen stuff, because obviously I still need to use it these next few days. Just a little check-in to let you know how it's going. Let's keep up the work.
we both know it's wrong. But you're still coming over, even when you're gone. The feeling just grow stronger, still leave it alone. But you're still getting closer, we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long, while it's going on, I put it in the song.
Instead of doing the kitchen and stuff, I decided to go through my jewelry. Also went through my shoes and stuff and boots like I said before. Now it is completely dark outside, so my motivation is not there anymore. But I feel like I managed to get quite a lot done today, so I'm quite happy about that. It is Thursday, so after this I only have 3 more days to pack all my stuff, but I think I'll definitely be able to do it now. I just have like kitchen stuff left, and I think what I need to start doing is packing my actual bag, like my luggage. I feel like that would make everything a lot easier, but I just haven't gotten to it yet. But maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Chill day. I've just been, doing the laundry and stuff like that. I haven't packed that much more. I think I'll be doing like the big work tomorrow. Also, like, I don't know, my plans for today kind of changed and stuff. I'm just getting ready to go out right now, adding a bit to my makeup just to make it a little bit more fun. Yeah, I just came back from going to it's a Swedish shop, like it's known worldwide, but it's called nataschathys. And right now you can go there and get like embroidery done on your clothes and stuff. So I went and did that with my friends, and I got like a little planet thing embroidered on my, like, just a basic t-shirt that I had, and it turned out to be so cute. I wasn't actually planning on going out today, but we literally walked past this thing and we like heard music coming, and we asked people like, oh, what's going on? And they're like, oh, there's a party. Yeah, like I said, I think tomorrow's gonna be where I do like most of the stuff, where I actually like pack my suitcases, and I like go ahead and do some of the kitchen, get most of it done. And then I need to make sure that I also clean everything correctly, like the oven and defrost the freezer and stuff like that. I've never moved out of a place like of an apartment that I rented before, because I've never rented an apartment before this. So there's just like cleaning stuff like that I'm not worried about, but like it's the first time, so I'm not exactly sure of how everything is gonna go. But for now, I'm ready to go out and not think about the whole moving process. Let's think about something else. Okay, let's have fun tonight. This is what I'm wearing. This is my finished makeup look. I did an eyeliner for the first time in very long. I like never do eyeliner. And they're not twins, they're sisters, but whatever. And then I just have a little frilly top. I have my green leather pants that I wore literally like 2 days ago to chill at home. We are ready to go. Talk to you tomorrow. It is the next day and I just got my nails done. You can't really see them that much. They're silver though. And then like when you put the flash on, they're really like, out there. I don't know why it always looks like it's night when I'm filming. I promise you it's not. It's just that it's winter. This morning I went ahead and started on my suitcases. So here we have one already. It's honestly, everything just looks like a mess right now. I filled up the suitcases quite a lot, and then I did a new box, which was basically just more clothes. So I'm a bit scared that everything's not gonna fit in these boxes. Hopefully it'll be good, because I honestly just have like one more box left. I need to put in all my kitchen stuff, all my bathroom stuff, and whatever like extras are left over. So hopefully we'll make it, or else I'm just gonna have to fill up some like little tote bags or like bags like that. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my kitchen stuff now, because I only have tomorrow left basically to use it, so I'm not really going to be using too much, and then tonight for dinner too. So I'm going to go ahead and fill the last box up, I guess, and try to fit as much in it as possible so that I don't need to start filling up like small bags or anything like that. But yeah, and I'm just gonna try and get in all of my plates and cups and glasses and like my cutlery, or just all that stuff. Also just realized I need to take these off of my wall, and I have other frames that are already like, they're in actual frames and they're a lot bigger, and ooh, I need to find a space for those. Why is it literally that every time you do the dishes, like you just get completely soaked? You can't even see it, but anyways, let's pack this kitchen up.
Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what I hate her, I don't agree, I did it first. I give a fuck, I just want fuck, eat, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and I'll call me after? Can you hit on me and mask it with laughter? Can you lead me to the ark? What's the password? I need humanity.
My hair's a mess, don't mind that, but clearly everything does not fit in these boxes, so tomorrow I'm gonna have to run and buy a few more and fill those up too, or else I've basically done everything. I only need stuff from the bathroom now, and then I have like pots and pans in the kitchen that I haven't done yet, which is why I need more boxes. But or else I'm basically done. And like, okay, yeah, stuff from the bed, some pillows, stuff like that. And I'm like stressing, but I don't need to be stressing. Oh, my lamps, like, yeah, I need to buy more boxes basically. We will be continuing tomorrow. Also, I haven't really filmed myself packing my luggage and stuff like that, but that's because I'm thinking next video I'll do is gonna be prep with me for my exchange, and I'll show you more detail how I pack, and I'll make like a little essentials list for when you're going on exchange or just going on like longer trip in general. Also, I posted on my Instagram story a few days ago like a little question box, so if you have any questions, definitely comment that down below, because I will be answering all those questions in my next video, like about my exchange, about Hong Kong, China in general, whatever you want, ask and I will answer. I'll make a more detailed video about how I'm packing like my suitcases and stuff, but yeah, that's for the next video. Good morning. It's 7:20 right now. Movers were supposed to be here 20 minutes ago, but they called and said that they were 30 minutes late, so they're probably gonna come in like 10 minutes. It is moving day. I have all my boxes all piled up here and just everywhere, and my TV is just on my bed. But today is like the moving day, so everything is going out of the apartment and we're doing deep clean and basically saying bye to my first apartment, which is kind of sad. My luggage is definitely overweight. It's just gonna have to be like that. I literally can't do anything about that. I just have so much stuff, but I mean, I am moving for 6 months. Like, I can't just not have all this stuff, right? Guys, these people have literally been here for like 20 minutes and they're like done with everything. They've taken out all the boxes. This is getting taken down. They put everything in plastic, which is perfect because, like, I mean, my stuff's gonna be in a storage box for like 10 months, so the light in the hallway needs to be fixed. But like, look how empty it is.
Just like on the summer in the 80s. Your time to see you blown.